Happy Diwali! Today's look is going to be inspired by the beautiful candle lights of Diwali. Obviously, we all know that Diwali is the festival of light, so I really wanted to bring in this year's celebrations with a really soft, beautiful, pretty candle-lit Diwali look for you. So with this look, I'm going to be featuring our 2-in-1 products and applying them in 4 beautiful ways. So definitely stay tuned to check out how I create this Diwali look. Hello, so your girl is here with the little voiceover and I've got my 4 2-in-1 products on the ready. I'm going to start with my eyes and I'm going to apply our beautiful caramel brown shade Bahati. I'm going to use the liquid lipstick end of the 2-in-1 product and I'm dotting it at the center of my eyelids and blending with my finger and really buffing the creases, or more so the edges of the eyelid look, with a thin brush just to create a really seamless finish. Okay, now that our beautiful bronzy Bahati lids are applied, I'm going to go in with a darker shade, and I'm using our shade Anyana to create a really beautiful liquid wing liner. Again, I'll use our liquid lipstick end and apply the product with a thin bristle brush and glide it across the edges of my eyelid and fan out at the corners. And also I really want to create a dramatic, I guess, seductive look as well, and draw in a little at the inner corners of my eyelid to create a really beautiful, almost cat eye type of look. The wing liner has been applied and I'm really loving these 2 tones together. The caramel shade of Bahati and then the really deep cocoa bean shade of Anyana are just so complementary on darker skin tones. So yeah, really happy so far with the eyes. Now I'm going to jump in and either muddle this entire thing up or create something quite cool. I'm going to go in now with some pearls that I purchased just from a simple craft store. And I'm going to apply these pearls at the outer corners and inner corners of my eyes. Yes, I've said that with a lot of hesitation because we'll see how this all turns out. And I'm going to use just tweezers to place and lash glue to create as an adhesive. I know that Amazon has lots of face adhesive jewel type sticker thingies that you can get, so definitely check that out as well, because this will just mean it's a little more time consuming, but in the same breath I find that the pearls, when they're completely rounded, just look really cool. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so really happy with the placement of the pearls. I've just gone really simple and tried to keep as symmetrical as possible, but hey, they're probably looking more like sisters, not twins. Completely fine. But no, I did finish off my mascara and also filled in my brows, and just before I hop to the next 2-in-1 step, I'm gonna apply pearls to my lower lids as well. Okay, so hard part is over and I feel I came out pretty unscathed. Now I'm going to go in with our beautiful shade Dahlia and create a really pretty peachy cheek tint. So I'm going to use our hydrating matte lipstick end of the 2-in-1 product and apply it to a brush, and then with the brush build to the perfect level of cheek tint that I'm after. Okay, so cheeks looking peachy, and now onto my favorite part, the lips. I'm gonna tie in the entire look with a really pretty nude lip, and I'm gonna apply our beautiful shade Sahara, which I would describe as a sand brown, burnt brown, nudie shade. And I'm gonna use both of the ends. So I'm gonna apply a protective base with the hydrating matte lipstick end, and then I'm gonna really define and shape and add that extra pop of pigment with our long-lasting liquid end of the lipstick. Okay, so this is my final Diwali look. I'm really happy with it. I think the pearls surrounding the eyes is a really beautiful, soft addition to this makeup look. I obviously used 4 of our beautiful 2-in-1 shades. I've gone for a Bahati eye, an Anyana wing liner, which works beautifully with this bronzy look. I've gone for a Dahlia cheek tint for a peachy flush, and then I finished off with a beautiful Sahara lipstick for the perfect nude for my skin tone. But yeah, I think it's worked out really well. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to see more things like this, definitely like and subscribe. Also, for a limited time, we are doing a very special offer to celebrate Diwali, where you can purchase our shaded 3 set. So you can get our brown set, which includes Anyana, Bahati, Elvira as a set. You can get our pink set, which includes Ishta, Lolita, and Charmine as a set. You can get our red set, which includes Rumi, Wewok, and Viola as a set. And of course, you can get our nude set, which includes Sahara, Dahlia, and Contessa as a set. And currently all our shaded sets are $50 USD, normally $65, so definitely the time to shop if you've been dying to try our products out and also get your hands on our shaded sets. But yeah, that is it from me. Happy Diwali. We hope you have a beautiful holiday, a beautiful celebration with friends and family, and all the best. Bye.